Does this happen at your guys' house too? We're locked in. Anyways, we're locked in. We're gonna do meal prep. I'm gonna cook for all of us. Now I have my grandson here too. We have chicken, fajita chicken. Most people think like chicken and rice is gonna be boring. No, this is already like fajita seasoned chicken that I get from Walmart.
Yeah.
And then, so it costs $10 for 5 servings. We'll split that evenly, so we'll get an even amount of protein. And then this bag right here comes with 4 servings, which is 4 cups. The littles will get half cups. Me and the boys will get full cups. Then, so it's not so bland, fucking season it. Garlic powder, onion powder, fucking sea salt, pepper. They have these Kinders and different flavors you can use for different things. Is it the best? No, but it'll keep you on it and make it more sustainable, not so bland. We love this. A little bit of this in it with the chicken once it's heated up, with the rice, and mix it up.